This is Jeff Crest, currently looking at our listing of the day, and a very nice listing indeed. A Kruger 14-foot alfa model. Stunning condition, beautiful, no scratches on the GRP, nothing at all. The gel coat is in excellent condition, both under and above, which I'll be showing you in a second. Everything is in stonking condition. Cleats, rubbing plates, including the twist rope, and round to the Tohatsu 4-stroke 9.8 petrol engine. There are photographs of the cover removed, and as you can see, the engine is again excellent condition. Again, stern gel coat, and the trailer, which I'm assured by the vendor is very roadworthy. It's an indispension.com national trailer company made by, and it has a forward road wheel and the jockey wheel, which makes it very easy to manoeuvre. And now to the interior, should I say. The foredeck and upholstery is in brilliant condition. Again, we've got photographs of the forward locker here. Floors, they do have fitted rubber mats, thereby looking after the gel coat on this boat, which you can see is brilliant. Seats 4 comfortably, if not more, or should I say 5, 6 maybe. Round to the Morse control, which does everything you need to do, and a lovely steering wheel there, helm wheel there. This is the running gear for the steerage. If you need to see any more about this boat, then please go to www.boatshedsuffolk.com, and many thanks for watching.